Hey YouTube, it's your boy Magnificent. So for the second mod, we're going with the Transformers theme. Obviously this is Resurrected Ironhide. So we're gonna do a keychain mod. It's a real cheap mod, and why not? So here's what the end result looks like. Here's the current keychain, real simple. So I'm gonna have the Magnificent Kid record here. So it's from AJT Designs, real cool. Go to their website, they have mods for keychains and actually knobs, a lot of them for Jeeps and other vehicles, but they have a couple for GM. And because the vehicles used to be known as Big Red and it's red, I don't want to repaint. I'm gonna stay with the black and red theme. I went and got one that was black with red buttons. Red with black buttons. And for my second key, I got one that's black with red buttons. So you can get a couple different other colors as well, white, blue, and all that stuff. Go to their website if you want it. I have no affiliation with them, just thought it was cool. So here's what happens out of the box. You get the little knob. You get, of course, cool. And again, the whatever button color you choose, that's also what the these little screws are. So here are the red buttons. I'm gonna go ahead and get them out. And what's cool about the buttons is, they come with all the different kinds. Now, my vehicle only has the 4 buttons, So if you have, let's say, a Tahoe that has maybe the glass and all that, it comes with that. So you see, if you can see that. Can you focus on that at all? Anyway, has all the different buttons, glass, the auto start, the panic. So here's all you're gonna do. First things first, so this is the back. And this is the top part. This is where the keychain goes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and literally do it exactly as it is right here, right? I'm gonna find the start button, pop it on here, real easy. Oops, wrong way. Flip that around. Right. All right, almost. It isn't as difficult as I'm making it seem, I promise. Start goes this way, that's right. All right. Third time's a charm, right? There we go, boom, start there. And we got lock and unlock. So unlock first, unlock is going to this side. So this goes here. Boom. There's lock, goes on there. Boom. So here it is so far. Now I don't have any buttons here, so what's cool is they give you some empty ones, if you have a truck versus a Tahoe or I don't know if this year Suburbans have this kind of keychain, but maybe some of you in the comments can tell me. But anyway, if they do, you can keep that. Anyway, real easy. Go through, pop that in, empty square, looking from another empty square. Goes like so, yep. All right, once I get these in, the rest is history. All right, so I'm gonna get these in real quick and we'll continue. Take off this key. Now, some people do this when it's like filthy nasty. This isn't. I'm gonna tell you right now, when you're done with it, it's not necessarily gonna look great. I mean, you can put the old one back together, but it'll be a little beaten up, okay? So here's the old one. I'm gonna put this back over here. All you gotta do is just use a screwdriver or maybe a butter knife or anything sharp, and you're just gonna pry here. You gotta get these metal pieces off. Careful with your fingers, right? See this? Got a little casualty here from the last time, but just take your time. You're just kind of popping these out is all you're doing. And go, just kind of make it even. That's all you're doing here. Okay. All right. Nope, not there. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna keep going just to show you. It's real easy. Once you get that out. And it's gonna be nasty. I try to do it where it was nice and neat, and maybe I could sell this this fob back, but nah, when you're done, it's gonna be done for. So typically at the dealerships, these keys come already, you know, put together and pre-made, you know, so there it is, see? You get that out, what happens is these come off with it, you know. I just don't know of any other way to do it nice and neat. Anyway, you get that piece off, next piece. Almost. Okay, almost. She don't want to go, folks. All right, I'm gonna take this off, be right back. All right, so these are out. Next, all you do now is just split these up. First thing I'll do is I take the buttons off and just, you know, be careful here, real easy. Just remember the start here is where these two are. I'll just put this up for now. This goes away. Now the key is, gotta remove the battery. Now to do so, easy thing is just to pop these little arms behind that's holding the battery. Use your fingers if you need to, or I'm just gonna use a screwdriver. Yep, see? Let's get that off. If you don't have nails, just use a screwdriver. Get that off, see? Battery comes out, easy. For the other one, the battery was stuck in there, so I just had to poke and bam. See, dang it. If I was smart, I would have gotten a 2032 and replaced it, but this one still works. I mean, look at that battery. I mean, I can easily take it off and put it back. I don't have one right now, so I'll leave it alone. But that goes there. Yeah, see that? Whatever residue was that was draining on the fob, so might be smart to figure a way to fix that. I don't want that residue messing up my electronics. Then I have to go buy a brand new one. So what I might do is run to the store real quick, buy a 2032, and fix it up. But I'm gonna show you how to do it anyway. I will definitely replace this. Let's see if maybe this is just dielectric grease or something. Oh yeah, so it's just dielectric grease, no biggie. That's all it was, which ain't a big thing. Okay, so we got that. So here's what we're gonna do. Now, last thing is you gotta get this battery piece off. This little, I don't know what you call it. Real easy. There are a couple of ears that kind of hold it. So what I do is get the screwdriver, get underneath it, and off. Try not to bend it, very key. This is done. I'm gonna clean up this area a little bit here. All right, so now let's go ahead and get this thing put together. First thing I'm gonna do is put the battery piece back on. See, it's similar to the old one. And you'll notice here, there are these ears, 1, 2. It just literally fits in between those, okay? And once you get that in between, just press until it goes down and sits in. Boom. There it is, now it's sitting good. Now we go ahead and put the battery back on. Oops. There it is right there. All right, so for this piece, they marked it very, very easy for you. Notice it says top, and this piece is where the keychain area goes in. So you're just gonna press down, get that out there. And the way I remembered is the top is where these buttons are, because start, the auto start, if you remember from the previous one, the auto start was where these two holes were. These two holes. So the start will go on the top here, just like that. And I try not to press much. Press down. Now you just simply put together. You slap them together. You get the bolts out. Now this is the T15, if I remember correctly. It comes with a T15 Allen wrench. You use a T15 if you have one as well. And what I like to do is like the buttons showing just for looks. So I'm gonna put the buttons heads on top. And I start off going diagonally. This is just much easier than using that Allen wrench, but you can, if you all, that's all you got, so you got it. Okay. All right. Pop it in. I'm gonna go test it out there shortly, show you it works. And looking good so far, right? Total from start to finish, I don't know, you're looking 5-10 minutes. Pop this in and you're done. All right, guys. And I go tight so that the buttons can be engaged because they got to press against each other, right? Boom, that's done. You don't want to go too tight, obviously. I'll be right up, babe. Done. There she is, guys. Brand new. We do the two here. So it's really cool. Different colors. Again, AGT Designs. Do some good stuff. Let's go and I'm gonna stop this and go outside and we'll test it, make sure it works. If you wanted to go back to the old, and you can put it back pretty easily, you actually could use it and it looks decent. So if it wasn't to your liking for whatever reason, you can put it back. Here's the test of truth. So lock. Let's see how it works here. I can't even see because it's so bright. Let me go ahead and try this again. Let's go around. Oh, that works. So let's try this again. So we can see now. Lock, unlock, lock, auto start. Works. Stop it. Panic. Here it is. Guys, it works. So here, that's it, guys. This is, again, Magnificent signing out. If this was helpful, cool, thought it was interesting, like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, any of those who have maybe something similar or maybe different ideas, love to know. Talk to you guys later. Max signing out.